Hi everyone, welcome to week 12. It's incredibly hard to believe that we're already 3/4 of the way done with this semester. You've all put in a ton of work, so keep going. You are on the downhill slide. You only have a few more, major papers and assignments, and then we'll be able to, get through both of the projects. So you are going to start working on both papers this week, and you have varying timelines for that. So I'll go over that today. Okay, so today we're going to be reading about, or this week we'll be reading about psychoneuroimmunology and immune-related disorders. So this is going to be how the mind and the body and the immune system interact with each other and how that can play an effect in the body's ability to, fight diseases, or, what the overall impact is, when you have some of those more long-term disorders. So this week you are going to read the chapter, complete the Learn Smart, complete the quiz, and then there's a TED Talk assignment. And so that you can find all of that information in this folder here. And then, as always, there's the PowerPoint. So here's the link for the Learn Smart, your quiz, and then your TED Talk assignment. There's 2 videos in there that you will be reading or watching and reviewing, and then you'll be submitting your paragraphs into the TED Talk assignment right here. So you have 2 videos, provide a 1 to 2 paragraph reflection. Okay. Then the last part of the week, all of your assignments are not due at the end of the week. Okay, so you have Unit 3 exam opens this week and it's due on the 21st. This is a 40-minute exam and you will have 2 weeks to review and complete it, because it does go over this chapter this week. So you are welcome to read ahead and to complete the Learn Smart ahead of time and take the quiz or take the exam this week, or you can take it next week when you've gone through the information at your typical pace. Then we have our behavior change project. So you have completed your journals, you've completed the implementation of your behavior change. Congratulations. I know this was a lot of work, especially remembering to journal every, 5 days of the 7 for the past 4 weeks. So great job. Now you are going to have a final paper, which really is just a reflection piece. And so you're going to discuss, what went on, what you learned, what steps you have for the future. If you were to implement a behavior change part 2, what would that look like? Why would you make those changes? Really it's just a way to reflect on the work that you've done and how you've grown. So this is also due on November 21st. And then finally, you have your ethics and health paper. And so this is a solo paper. So before you did your group assignment where you were reviewing all of the sources, the next step is this ethics and health paper, but you will be working on that individually. And so this one's actually due on December 5th. So you have the next 3 weeks plus Thanksgiving break to work on that. So this really, you have the ability to take your time and review the information. You are welcome to submit this to me over email, and I can read through it and provide feedback and send it back to you before you submit it. I'll allow everyone to do that once. Just be cognizant of my time. Don't submit it to me, December 4th and expect, a lengthy response or, really detailed edits for you to work on. So just make sure if you are working on this, then you get it to me in advance, so that way I can provide that quality feedback to you. Okay, so really that is this week. So you've got this folder which has the Learn Smart quiz and your TED Talk assignment. You know that Unit 3 exam is open. You've got your behavior change project, final step, and so this states you'll go to the behavior change project folder, complete step 3, the reflection paper, and then, oh, I did not update this one, so I will update that and state that you're going to work on the ethics and health paper. And that paper you can find right here. So you'll be working in week 12, behavior change project folder, ethics and health and wellness, and the unit exam. So you're in 4 different places this week. But if you have any questions, let me know, and I'm happy to walk you through everything again. Okay, have a great week, and I look forward to reviewing your reflection papers on your behavior changes, and along with all the other assignments. But I particularly enjoy this behavior change one because I think it's a lot of room for personal growth for each individual person. Okay, have a great week, and I look forward to seeing your work. Thanks.